Uh, Good morning, children. Many congrats for your success. Now you are in the 12th standard, and definitely 12th class is a deciding factor for your future life. So, due to COVID 19, we are helpless to start the classes. But anyway, we are trying our level best to provide you the best through clippings and through websites. So, uh, before starting, as usual, as I always say, we have to discuss the syllabus first. And secondly, which I always stress, you are aware about it. Don't dare to buy health books. Only buy textbooks, books based on NCERT. And the final question paper is always set according to NCERT, as even this year also, 2020. Not even a single question was from any health book. So the habit which the students of this city have, please don't follow that habit. Buy the textbooks in CRT, and the books are first is the Flamingo, second is the Vistas. You are going to have a 100 marks paper, and the 100 marks paper is divided into two parts, 80 plus 20. 80 will be based on theory, which will include the literature, uh, poetry section, right? Plays. And the remaining 20 will be ASL. I think you are aware about ASL. So before starting, I would like to discuss about the syllabus. Start with the Flamingo. We have got 8 chapters and 6 poems. Chapter number 1 is Last Lesson, written by Alphonse Daudet. It's a beautiful story about a war fought between Persians and French at Waterloo. The second story is about Lost Spring, written by Annie Young. Basically, it's not a story, mind you. It's an excerpt taken by The Story of My Life, which is written on the top of every story in only textbooks. Third is about Deep Water, which is basically not a story. It's an excerpt taken from his autobiography, Man and Mountains. So it's an excerpt written by William Douglas, the protagonist, William, narrator, author is one that is William Douglas. It's also a very beautiful story. You will enjoy reading that story. Then you got Rat Trap, written by Selma Lagerlöf, a Swedish novelist. Beautiful story about a poor person begging from door to door to earn his livelihood. Then we have got fifth is a story which is definitely based on Indian history. A part of that you will get the sniff of the Britishers when they rule India, that is Indigo, written by Louis Fisher. After Indigo, there are 2 chapters which are re-included. First is Poets and Pancakes, Be Careful, written by Asoka Mitra, not Ashoka, Asoka, Asoki. It's a long story. What students believe, it confuses a bit, but it's a very interesting story. You will enjoy reading it. And the second is Interview, Christopher Sylvester. It's also a part of Christopher Sylvester when Umberto Eco was been interviewed. And it's a part of that is basically called an excerpt. And the last chapter is Going Places, written by A.R. Barton. It's also a beautiful story about teenagers like you, 12th class students. So these are the stories which we are going to proceed in Flamingo. Then you have got 6 poetries in Flamingo. First one is My Mother 66, basically written by Kanmadas, Indian poetess, basically from Kerala. But she lost and she took her last breath in 2010 at Pune when you were, I think, in 9th or 8th standard. 2010, she lost her life. So it's a small poem. Second is Elementary School, written by